Since the acceleration is constant, to find the average, you can simply go to the middle of the graph, which is the velocity at 5 seconds, which is 15 meters per second. Again, that instantaneous velocity at 5 seconds, we just said, is 15 meters per second. And the acceleration rate of the car on this trip is the change in velocity, which is 30 meters per second, over time, which is 10 seconds. So you get 3 meters per second per second. Again, the slope is the acceleration rate. They are the same thing. We mentioned that in problem number 1. It's the change in y over change in x, which is 30 over 10, which is 3. The units for this slope, again, the units that are on the y-axis, which is velocity, units on the x-axis, time. So we'd use the units that we use for velocity are meters per second, and what we use for time is second, as shown on the graph. So meters per second, which can also be written as meters per second squared. The slope of velocity versus time graph, as we said, represents acceleration. To find how far the car traveled in 10 seconds,